For all our technology, knowledge, and progress, there are still things science simply cannot explain. From strange signals coming from the depths of deep space to bizarre phenomena that seem to defy the very laws of physics. These mysteries serve as a powerful reminder of how little we truly know about our universe. Tonight, we're opening the Mystery Vault and exploring 5 enduring mysteries that science still can't explain. First up, the WOW signal. Picture this. It's August 15th, 1977. At Ohio State University's Big Ear Radio Telescope, an astronomer named Jerry Eman is reviewing data from a search for extraterrestrial intelligence. Suddenly, he sees it. A 72-second-long burst of a narrowband radio signal, unlike anything ever detected before or since. The signal was so powerful, so unusual, that in the margin of the computer printout, he circled the data and wrote one single emphatic word: wow. The signal came from the direction of the constellation Sagittarius, a region of space with no known planets or stars that could produce such a transmission. It was 30 times stronger than the background noise of deep space. For decades, scientists have tried to find a natural explanation. Was it a comet? A satellite? Some unknown astronomical event? Every single hypothesis has been tested and ultimately fallen short. The signal has never repeated. So, what was it? A random cosmic fluke? A 1 in a billion chance alignment of cosmic energies? Or was it something more? A deliberate message sent from an intelligent civilization across the interstellar void, intercepted for a fleeting moment by our primitive technology? To this day, the WOW signal remains one of the most compelling pieces of potential evidence for extraterrestrial life, a tantalizing whisper from the cosmos that we are still trying to understand. Next, we investigate ball lightning. Imagine a thunderstorm raging outside. Lightning cracks across the sky. Then something impossible happens. A glowing luminous sphere of light, anywhere from the size of a golf ball to a beach ball, appears out of thin air. It floats silently through the room, sometimes even passing through solid walls and windows, before vanishing without a trace or exploding with a loud bang. This is ball lightning, a phenomenon reported by eyewitnesses for centuries, yet it remains one of nature's most baffling and elusive mysteries. Thousands of credible reports exist, from naval officers to pilots, all describing a similar eerie spectacle. But because it's so rare and unpredictable, scientists have struggled to study it. Is it a form of plasma, a pocket of superheated gas contained by its own magnetic field? Is it an electrochemical reaction in the air triggered by lightning? Some theories even suggest it could be a hallucination induced by the magnetic fields of a nearby lightning strike. Despite numerous experiments trying to recreate it in a lab, no one has successfully duplicated the properties described by witnesses: its stable shape, its silent movement, and its ability to pass through solid objects. Ball lightning defies our conventional understanding of physics. It's a ghostly, beautiful, and slightly terrifying reminder that even the weather on our own planet holds secrets we have yet to unravel. Now, let's journey to a small town in the American Southwest to uncover the Taos hum. In the quiet, high-desert town of Taos, New Mexico, something strange is happening. Since the early 1990s, a significant portion of the population has reported hearing a persistent, low-frequency humming or buzzing sound. It's been described as a distant diesel engine, a faint drone that never stops. The strangest part? Not everyone can hear it. For those who can, it's a maddening presence that can cause headaches, dizziness, and sleep disruption. What could be the source? Extensive investigations have been conducted by universities and even the US government. They've ruled out common culprits like industrial machinery, power lines, and traffic. Sensitive acoustic equipment has detected something, a very low-frequency vibration, but its origin remains a complete mystery. The sound seems to be more prominent indoors and is often worse at night. Is it a geological phenomenon, the Earth itself generating a sound that only some people are sensitive enough to perceive? Could it be a form of tinnitus, a collective auditory illusion affecting a specific population? Or is it something more clandestine, perhaps secret underground military activity or an undiscovered technology? The Taos hum isn't unique. Similar unexplained sounds have been reported worldwide, from Bristol, England, to Bondi, Australia. It's a global auditory enigma, a sound without a source. From the Earth, we now dive deep into the ocean for our next mystery, the immortal jellyfish. Death is considered an inescapable fact of life for nearly every living thing on our planet. But what if it wasn't? In the depths of the ocean lives a tiny creature that seems to have found a way to cheat death itself. Meet Turritopsis dohrnii, better known as the immortal jellyfish. This small, bell-shaped marvel, no bigger than a pinky nail, possesses an extraordinary ability. When it gets old, injured, or faces stressful conditions like starvation, it can do something incredible. Instead of dying, it reverts its cells back to their earliest stage, a polyp, essentially becoming a baby again. From this polyp, it buds and grows back into its adult form, ready to start its life cycle all over. It's the biological equivalent of a phoenix rising from its own ashes. This process of transdifferentiation, where one type of cell transforms into another, is extremely rare in the animal kingdom. Scientists are fascinated. How does it trigger this reset button? What are the genetic mechanisms that allow it to reverse the aging process? Understanding this could revolutionize medicine and our entire concept of aging. While they can still be eaten by predators, their potential for biological immortality makes them one of the most remarkable creatures on Earth. Could this tiny jellyfish hold the key to unlocking a longer, healthier life for humanity? The secret to eternal youth might just be hiding in the deep sea. Finally, we turn from the outside world to the most complex universe of all, the one inside our own minds. Our last mystery is the placebo effect. This is perhaps the strangest puzzle in all of science because it involves the power of belief. The placebo effect is a well-documented phenomenon where a person's physical or mental health improves after taking a dummy treatment, a sugar pill, a saline injection, or even a sham surgery, simply because they believe it will work. The effect is not just in their head, it's real and measurable. Brain scans show that when someone takes a placebo they believe is a painkiller, their brain actually releases natural pain-relieving chemicals called endorphins. But how? How can a simple belief, a thought, create a tangible physiological change in the body? The mind is literally healing the body without any active medicine. This effect challenges the very foundation of modern medicine. It demonstrates a profound connection between our consciousness and our physical well-being that we are only just beginning to understand. What is the mechanism that translates belief into biochemistry? Is it a forgotten survival instinct, an untapped form of self-healing potential that lies dormant within all of us? The placebo effect proves that the mind is not just a passenger in the body, it is the pilot. And it suggests that our reality and even our own health might be far more influenced by our perception than we ever thought possible. From the deepest reaches of space to the intricate wiring of our own brains, our world is filled with profound mysteries. The wow, signal, ball lightning, the Taos hum, the immortal jellyfish, and the placebo effect are more than just unsolved puzzles. They are invitations to be curious, to question what we think we know, and to keep exploring. They remind us that the journey of science isn't about finding all the answers, but about learning to ask better questions. What do you think is behind these phenomena? Are they simply natural processes we haven't figured out yet? Or do they point to a reality that is far stranger and more wonderful than we can currently imagine? Let me know your theories in the comments below. Thanks so much for joining me in the Mystery Vault tonight. If you enjoy exploring the unknown, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an investigation. Until next time, stay curious.